Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. It has been a hot minute since I posted anything. No, I did not forget any of you. You guys were always on my mind. I'm back with another video and this time it's the Go Makeup palette. So let's get into the review. But before that, real quick. This video is not sponsored. The opinions expressed in here are exclusively mine. You are more than welcome to disagree in the comments below. That being said, your support and criticism is always appreciated. My very first impression of this palette was, हैं? इतनी छोटी सी palette? But when you think about it, a concealer, a corrector, a lipstick or a blush, an eyebrow product, a contour, a setting powder, and 2 eyeshadows separately would have cost more than the total cost of this palette. I bought this palette for 3,770 rupees. That makes it round about 377 rupees per product. I would define this palette as a very minimalistic and modern approach to a traveling makeup kit. To embrace and celebrate my desi skin tone, I decided to order the medium warm shade. There are no shade names mentioned on the box, so let's get this swatch party started. So you basically get 10 products in here, including the brush. This palette has 2 stories. The top story contains 2 complexion products and 2 lip and cheek products. When you go downstairs, you have 5 products, 2 eyeshadows or highlighters, 1 setting powder, a bronzer, and a cream contour. You also get this brush, which I'm not the biggest fan of. Starting out with the complexion product, there are 2 complexion products in here. One is lighter while the other has salmon undertones to color correct. The formula is creamy and quite blendable. Unfortunately, the concealer shade was too light for me. That makes me wonder, light to medium palette का concealer कितना light होगा. It can work as a medium to full coverage foundation as well. I did set it with the powder of course, but even on hot summer evening, my makeup did not move one bit. I used the color corrector around the mouth and sides of the nose and under eyes. I had seen Nadia Hussain do the same. Apart from the slight color match issue, I was actually taken by surprise at how long lasting the formula is. On to the lip and cheek products. There is a pink color and an orangey, salmony, nudie type of a color. I'm not explaining them very best because I don't have names, but you can see in the swatch. I'm not the biggest fan of the shade range, I have to admit that, but the pigmentation on them took me by surprise. And they were very long lasting. Like even after 3 hours of wearing this under my mask, my lipstick was still there. As a blush, however, I would suggest Haath Hola Rakhein. Use 1 dot instead of 3 and blend it well. Because the first time I used it, everybody could tell that I was wearing blush even from a mile away. Here's the swatch of these 2 shades mixed together. I would still stick to my Terracotta by Medora, thank you very much. But maybe you'll like these colors more than I did. There are 2 eyeshadows in here. एक पिंक कलर का है और दूसरा सिल्वर कलर का है जिसमें थोड़ा सा गोल्डन टच आ रहा है. Although they are claimed to work as a highlighter, but I don't think so. They're quite chunky to be a highlighter. As these are metallic eyeshadows, चेहरे पर वाज़े नज़र आता है कि कुछ लगा हुआ है, chunky सा. At least I like my highlighter very fine and just give me a glow. As far as my knowledge of makeup goes, bronzers are to give your skin that sun-kissed glow, while contours have that grayish, ashy undertones to give shadows. I used the bronzer as a cream eyeshadow in my crease. As for the contour powder, luckily for me, it is a perfect shade for filling my eyebrows, so this is how I used it. Thanks to the setting powder, my makeup did not move one bit, even in this hot and humid summer. I used it over the concealer and the corrector, and my makeup was locked without getting cakey or greasy. Now coming to the stars and wishes for this palette. My first star for this palette would be its compactness. ये इतना छोटा है कि आपके बैग में आसानी से आ जाता है. The second star would be its coverage. Do not let its all white packaging deceive you into thinking that the coverage on this would be very sheer. इसे एक दूसरे ब्रांड ने थोड़ा कंट्रोवर्शियल भी बना दिया था कि ये पैलेट हमारी आइडिया की, हमारे कॉन्सेप्ट की कॉपी है, जबकि ऐसा नहीं है. दिस पैलेट कैन बी यूज्ड ऑन मोर देन वन ओकेजन्स. आप इससे शादी वाला मेकअप भी कर सकते हैं. द थर्ड स्टार फॉर दिस पैलेट वुड बी द कॉन्सेप्ट. You get 10 products in a compact box. It really is makeup on the go. How can you not be happy about that? In fact, मेरे पास एक और पैलेट है, वो भी ट्रैवलिंग मेकअप किट है, बट उसका और इसका प्राइस डिफरेंस बहुत ज़्यादा है. The fourth star would be for how long lasting every product was. From the lipsticks to the concealer itself, everything is so long lasting and the setting powder also performed very nice. अब आती है बात विशेस की. मेरी सबसे बड़ी विश इस पैलेट के लिए ये थी कि काश इसमें बस ये 2 शेड रेंज ना होते, थोड़ी डाइवर्स शेड रेंज होती. Even though I went for the darkest shade, it was still too light for me. My second wish for this palette would be customizability. By that I mean I wish I could choose my own lipstick shades. This would have been an amazing concept if you can just pick and choose your own shades of lipsticks and contour or blushes. This gives me an idea. If this video gets about 1,000 likes, I feel not so confident when I say this, but I can hope. I will depot my old traveling makeup kit that I was talking about earlier and customize it with my own makeup product. And last but not least, my third wish would be कि इस पैलेट में एक मस्कारा होता इस ब्रश की जगह. लाइक इवन इन हर वीडियो नादिया हुसैन ने एक स्पंज यूज़ किया था अपने पाउडर को अप्लाई करने के लिए इंस्टेड ऑफ दिस ब्रश. तो यहाँ पर ये ब्रश ओमिट करके इस पैलेट का साइज़ थोड़ा और इन्हेंस करके इसका लेआउट नेक्स्ट किसी एडिशन में एक मिनी मस्कारा ऐड हो जाए ना, तो दिस इज़ द परफेक्ट ट्रैवलिंग मेकअप किट. अब तक मैंने ये पैलेट कोई 6-4 बार यूज़ की होगी. I used it for Eid makeup. I used it for a dinner, my exams. मेरे लिए ये पैलेट थोड़ी सी यूज़लेस इस तरह हो गई कि इसका कंसीलर शेड ही मुझसे मैच नहीं करता और बहुत लाइट है मेरे लिए. So I will be giving it away to a friend of mine. I hope she uses and enjoys it more than I did. I'm in fact very thankful to her. उसी की रिक्वेस्ट पर मैंने ये वीडियो बनाई. I hope you liked this video. I gotta be honest, I really struggled with this one. If it weren't for a few people who really pulled me through this one and encouraged me, especially this one person I would like to mention. Her channel name is Life with Gul. I will link it down in the description box below. Go check her out. Her positivity is just so contagious and it shows in her videos too. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. I won't tell you, but in case you don't, like, share and subscribe. That being said, I'll catch you next time. Stay safe, stay happy, stay healthy, and I'll meet you in another video. Allah Hafiz.